Hello, in this video we will discuss what is subnetting. Guys, all of you know what is an IP address, what is a network ID, what is a broadcast ID. Now the topic is subnetting. Subnetting means dividing a big network into more than one small logical networks. So let me give you an example to make you understand what is subnetting. So let's say I have a subnet 192.168.1.0/24. So this is my subnet. For example, in this subnet, by default, how many users will be there? If we want to calculate, so what is the subnet? 192.168.1.0/24. So all of you know /24 means 24 are the number of network bits. In total, how many bits were there? 32. So, how many host bits are left? 8 host bits. Now, all of you know the way how to calculate network ID and broadcast ID. So, if I calculate network ID for this network, it will be 192.168.1.0 and broadcast ID will be /255. It means in this network there are 256 hosts total. Now, let me tell you a new thing here. There is something called used IPs and there is something called unused IPs. If I see the whole subnet, 192.168.1.0. Next IP will be 1.1, 1.2 and in the same pattern last will be 1.254 and 1.255. Now all of you know 1.0 is network ID and 1.255 is broadcast ID. Broadcast. So first thing, you cannot use network ID and broadcast ID for assignment purpose. You cannot assign network ID or broadcast ID to any user. It means total number of usable IPs or used IPs will be total IPs minus 2. Why 2? One network ID, one broadcast ID. So in this network there will be 254 usable IPs. 254. Total number of IPs were 256. How many are usable? 254. Now our part is subnetting. What do you mean by subnetting? Subnetting means dividing this big network into small networks according to my requirement. So let me give you an example. All of you can see this confused guy because from this network he want a network which consists of how many users? 60 users. He does not need a big network of 256 users. He need a network only which can contain 60 users. So first of all, let's see how you can divide a network. So guys, whenever we talk about subnetting, you should be clear with the concept of how many host bits are required. So my question is, how many host bits are required? So the question is, how many hosts we have? 60. 60 host means, if you know the formula, if you can understand the formula is 2 to the power n is equal to 60. So, n will be number of host bits. So, if I calculate 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5, 32. 2 to the power 6, 64. It means if we have 6 number of host bits, it will fulfill requirement of 60 host, as 60 is less than 64. So how many host bits are required? 6 host bits. So guys, now what I will do to divide this big network into small parts, just concentrate. So how many host bits I need? 6. In total number of bits were 32. So how many network bits are there? 32 minus 6. It means 26. So this time my subnet will be 192 dot 168.1.0 slash will be 26. Slash will be 26. So what we have done? We borrowed 2 bits from 4th octet because now we don't need 8 host bits. We need 6 host bits. So we are increasing the number of network bits to decrease the number of host bits. Okay, let me give you a easy explanation to this. If you want more number of host bits should be there. If you want less number of host bits should be there. So this is what we are doing here. I am just making less number of host bits. So now my network ID is 192.168.1.0 slash 26. Now if I calculate network ID and broadcast ID, so this will be network ID and broadcast ID will be 1.63. So here you can see this network is divided now. In this network, how many hosts are there? Total 64 hosts. Out of 64, one will be network ID, one will be broadcast ID, and usable IP will be 62. And how many IPs we need? 60. So our requirement is fulfilled. So what we have done? We have divided a big network into a small network. Previously, the network was having 256 hosts. Now the network is having 62 usable IPs. So guys, you can see here I have solved the example. It is 1.1, 1.2, 1.4 and it is going till 62. I am not showing here 63 because it is a broadcast ID, it will not be used. So the guy is also happy, you can see. So guys, here you can again see used and unused IP. Earlier, my subnet was starting from 192.168.1.0 slash 24 and it was like this. If you remember, it was going till 255. Now my subnet is small. It is from 192.168.1.0 to 1.63. So now this is my used subnet. The subnet I am using, and rest of the subnet 1.64 to 1.255 is still unused. So here you have seen how I have divided a big subnet into a small subnet that I want to use. I don't want to waste these IPs. I am not using this subnet. And one thing you already know, in this subnet 1.0 will be network ID, 1.63 will be broadcast ID. In total there will be 62 usable IPs like I explained before. So guys, in this video we have seen how we can divide network according to host requirement. So in the next video, we will be seeing how we can divide a network according to network requirement. Thank you.